So we work with Jackson's on their supply chain to supply a range of sustainable, generally biodegradable, organic living revetments such as coir rolls, coir pallets, a range of native wetland plant and wild-flowering plant species for use within ecological restoration elements and mitigation within flood defence projects. Croxton Park nursery is really a result of 15 years of growth and investment. So we grow now 240 native species from peatland plants up in the mountains all the way through freshwater systems down into salt marsh and now looking even at seagrass and marine applications. And that's used across a wide range of sectors, so things from green roofs to new wetlands to river restoration to peatland restoration. So a lot of these plants get used in ecological habitat restoration across a wide range of ecosystems.